All right, folks, we're keeping a very close eye on Dorian, which is now a hurricane in the Atlantic Basin. This is tracking right towards Florida, and we do expect to see some pretty big impacts across Florida as we approach that Labor Day weekend. In the meantime, we're still tracking heat and severe thunderstorm potential. Today, there is a slight risk in the central U.S., and we'll have more on that in a second. Today, though, we're tracking Dorian, as I mentioned, 85-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It is north of San Juan, Puerto Rico, on that northwesterly track. Latest guidance from the National Hurricane Center suggests that it could become a Category 2 storm even later today or by Friday. And then as we approach the weekend, maybe a Category 3 storm. And then noticing that early next week, Labor Day and Tuesday, impacts felt across Florida. Very strong winds and heavy rain. So we're going to watch it very closely. In the meantime, Aaron tracking north towards Nova Scotia as a post-tropical cyclone staying east of the eastern seaboard, which is good news there. It's pretty warm in the southern and southeastern U.S. We have more triple-digit heat in the desert, and this is where excessive heat warnings continue from Vegas down to Phoenix and into southeastern portions of California. And it's pretty warm still in the Gulf Coast region with triple-digit heat index values, even down into Florida today. But still pretty chilly in the upper Midwest and the Northeast, looking at cooler than average weather as we get into early September. Today we have a front pushing through the midsection of the nation, and as I mentioned, we have a slight risk of severe weather with large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes.